Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best 3D printer under $500 in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these 3D printer under $500, let's get started. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 V2 Upgraded 3D Printer. Best overall 3D printer under $500. The first product on the list is this Creality Ender 3 V2, an upgrade of Ender 3 with more cool features, including support for SNL files. It is made from tough tempered glass and aluminum and has a sleek finish and compact design. Thus, storage and portability won't be an issue with the printer. Regarding the motherboard, Ender 3 V2 features Creality's self-developed silent motherboard that operates silently under 50 dB. The 3D printing technology used is fused filament fabrication, FFF. Thus, the product is suitable for prototyping, rapid manufacturing, etc. Coming to the power supply, the entire Meanwell power unit comes concealed and is UL certified. This ensures even and quick filament heating and long-time printing without hassles. Loading and unloading the filament to the printer is also pretty straightforward, as Ender 3 V2 has a rotary knob on the extruder. So, unlike other models, you need not spend too much time feeding the filament. You get a smart touchscreen on the base with a rotating knob as a controller. From preparing Ender 3 V2 for printing to commanding it to print, the LCD helps you do all these with a single touch. The screen measures 4.3. In case there's an unexpected power outage, the resume printing functionality of the machine comes as a savior. What it does is resume printing from the last recorded extruder position. Reasons to buy. Sleek and open frame design for easy storage and transportation. Decent print accuracy and quality. Multiple file input options. Reasons to avoid. Average printing speed. Number 2. Voxelab Aquila C2 FDM 3D Printer. Best beginner 3D printer under $500. Besides its noiseless operation, Aquila C2 offers the best-in-class print volume of 220 x 220 x 250 mm with the highest possible accuracy. Hence, no worries about the print quality. This printer has an automatic feeding mechanism to improve the printing success rate. You must insert the filament into the guide wire tube and activate the auto-feeding function. The filament will automatically go to the nozzle. If you've ever dealt with a 3D printer, you'd agree that the print warping problem is quite annoying. It usually arises due to inconsistent printing temperatures and poor bed adhesion. To tackle this, Aquila C2 houses a Carborundum glass bed platform. The two main characteristics of this particular bed platform are strong adhesion and uniform heating. It heats to 7 C in 2-3 minutes and ensures the optimal printing temperature is maintained throughout. Thanks to its resume printing functionality, the printer will automatically resume printing from the last point before any power failure. Reasons to buy. Auto filament feeding mechanism. Multiple materials and file format support. Resumes printing from the last point in case of power failure. Reasons to avoid. It doesn't come pre-assembled. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K Resin 3D Printer. Best Resin 3D printer under $500. Are you looking for a fine printing quality resin printer? If so, this Photon Mono 4K Resin 3D printer from ANYCUBIC is a must-buy. It's equipped with a massive and forged-stronger 6.3 LCD screen. However, it's monochrome. Despite its minimal price tag, you get a decently sized build volume of 132 x 165 x 80 mm. Thus, you need not print your 3D models in multiple parts. Note that Photon Mono 4K is not an open frame printer, and a yellow transparent top cover covers it. Again, this top cover is tough and blocks 99.95% of the UV lights. Coming to the printing quality, the printer prints at higher precision levels with finely detailed execution, thanks to the contrast ratio of 350+. And luckily, the speed isn't compromised for quality. Photon Mono 4K prints at 50 which is nearly 2.5x what other resin printers offer. As a result, it can print an entire 12x 4.7 model in 2-3 hours. Isn't this amazing? Reasons to buy: sufficient build volume, well-defined corners and edges, uniform resin heating. Reasons to avoid: no support for multiple file formats. Number 4. FLSUN SR Super Racer 3D Printer. Fastest 3D printer under $500. Who doesn't want to cut the printing time to almost half? If you want the same, invest in any of the fastest 3D printers. For example, this SR Super Racer 3D printer from FLSUN. With a high printing speed of 200/s and 2800+mm/s2, Super Racer 3D is probably the fastest printer under $500, at $499 to be precise. And the credit goes to the 3-axis linkage technology and 348W high-power stepper motors. Besides top speed, you also get a build volume of 260x260x330 mm. Hence, you can print all medium-sized models in one go rather than in parts. Don't fret about the noise levels, as the company has ensured minimal noise, up to 50 dB no matter your printing speed. A high-precision linear rail guide system provides smoother motion to print accuracy and model stability. There's also a 3.5-inch touchscreen UI attached to the printer. It displays all content in more than 8 different languages. Auto-leveling helps you quickly start printing without needing to level the bed platform manually. Lastly, the unit comes 90% assembled, and you have to assemble the remaining portion, which won't take more than 20 minutes. Reasons to buy: rapid printing speed and acceleration, premium printing quality with more contrast, noiseless operation. Reasons to avoid: smaller LCD screen. Number 5. Official Creality Ender 3 Zone 3D Printer. Best 3D printer under $400. Another beginner-friendly 3D printer based on FDM technology is the Creality Ender 3 Zone. Designed for high-precision printing in less time, the printer includes a dual-gear direct drive extruder compatible with various filaments. The extruder also ensures smooth the filaments loading and unloading. Since manual bed leveling is both tiresome and time-consuming, Ender 3 Zone has the 16-point automatic bed leveling function. It automatically levels the printing height of different points of the heat bed, ensuring evenness at every point. The build volume measures 220x220x270 mm, ensuring single-part printing for most objects. Like other 3D printers, the product 96% comes pre-assembled, and you must follow the installation guide to complete the setup. The labeled bolts and screws are also there for assistance. In terms of durability and maintenance, both are pretty good and cheap, respectively. When 3D printing, most printers often leave lines and ridges on the sides of the print. But thanks to Ender 3 Zone's Z-axis dual screw and dual motor design, rest assured of perfect prints with maximum accuracy. Last, you need not monitor your filament's condition, like its runout or breakage. There's a dedicated sensor to handle that. Reasons to buy: complimentary test filament for your first model, high-precision 3D printing without lines and ridges, decent printing speed at 150 mm/s. Reasons to avoid: extrusion problems,